So let's look at silver price action. Silver have done very, very well. In fact, almost double the price in 2 years. Silver has done significantly well. And the first thing we want to take note of is our floor, our daily floor. We look into the structure on daily time frame, starting from 2022 price action. And we are going to take note of the trend. Ladies and gentlemen, the price of silver has done very, very well, moving from 17.93 ounce to up to the market doing almost doubles the amount in October 2024 before correction. Silver have done well, and I will continue to say it. It's an opportunity to buy silver. Silver will skyrocket in the future, and nobody knows. Today, look at where yellow metal gold is. So a lot of people are not getting it again. You don't get a bar of gold anymore. A bar of gold 15 years ago today is worth millions of dollars. Millions of dollars. If you stopped bars of gold 15 years ago, you are a millionaire, multi-millionaire, and you are safeguarded in case of inflation, war, political instability. So I continue to say it. Invest in gold, invest in silver if you have the money. Except you don't have it. You don't have it, it's okay. If you have it, invest in gold and silver. It's not a financial advice, but invest in gold and silver. A few years from now, you know why. You invest in gold, your children will appreciate it. And that's a nice price action about it. I want a price return into that. But we are not there yet. We are not there yet. But silver can actually move into that zone. Silver moves into that zone. Okay, let's just keep it for reference. I'm not interested in that price action, but let's keep it for reference because I know technically silver will come back to that cliff to give us a bearish reaction. It will definitely come back. But the next thing we want to see is we have created an ascending channel, and this is the end of that push. And the price has respected that risk to give us the floor. You can see the price of beating the supply with 1, supply with 2. We use the two supply with the two hands to get our demand floor. Shavyfxhub strategy focus on market structure and fundamental analysis. This is the end of the rally before a new push and price came back and reacted to that level. And if you look very well at this level, we have a breaking structure at this level. We have a clean breaking structure at this level. Very clean breaking structure. Very, very clean. I'm not lying to you. Very clean breaking structure at that level. Very clean. So you have series or after a breakout from the supply price turned into a demand floor and started trading on the daily time frame. And when price returns to its technically respected Shavyfxhub strategy. So now we've gotten a floor, we've gotten a roof, and let's look at the ultimate sell structure and the ultimate buy structure. I have it here. A lot of traders will not see this, so that they are privileged to see it. So we share it so you can take advantage of that structure. Market create a supply roof, a break of a supply roof, turn it to a demand for 100 double top and drops. formed a double top and it dropped. Hmm. After forming a double top, it literally dropped. It literally dropped. It literally after forming a double top structure. Break out of the double top without a retest. Retest one, retest two. Break out of the supply roof, demand one, demand two. It's coming back to demand one. Okay, so I'm gonna drop a buy idea and also set my buy order. And we had a very nice trade on Friday. A 300 pip as prophesized, and by the special grace of God, we hit 320 close of Friday night. So I'm looking at silver and I'm seeing something potential downstream technical. But what happened is that the market is now range bound, playing on the range where we have here a floor and here a roof. And on technical, we're going to have some hard time, trying to hit price down to my desired buy entry level, where I think it's appropriate as a hedge fund manager to getting into buy position. At the moment, where it is now, we're looking for a retracement into the demand floor, a strong demand floor. So if price returns into that level, it will be a good day. But if it doesn't, that's fine. But where I want you to wait on ultimate buy idea is on this floor. It is the most valid buy floor for silver. So when you sell silver at $27, 27,600, 27,500, that is 27.664. This is a buy, this is a demand floor, a valid demand floor. So let me throw more light on it. Market create a supply roof. On the supply roof, respected the structure and sold on multiples of tops. We could call it triple top, we could call it whatever, but whatever it is, market consolidated and dropped. After which market came back, broke the supply roof. What roof was broken? The previous supply roof that stopped price from upswing was now officially broken. It became a demand floor for optic, but the market didn't make past this level and returned back and started playing below on supply roof. After testing two times, market broke the structure and returned on demand floor. I want to see price return into this level. That is 27,400, 27,500, where I will hold a strong buy idea. I will hold a strong buy idea at that level. And the next potential buy opportunity for silver will also be on this floor. These are potential buy floors. They are potential demand floor. Now you can see the price of silver has jumped to remain on demand. That shows that silver is on demand. You see, why we trade structure of the market is to know when a particular price is in demand or in supply. Now you see that price have broken from the supply roof to demand floor, indicating the demand of silver for both industrial and commercial application. So this demand might likely, if backed by scarcity, then we could begin to see silver moving back again into the zone of 36K because the market corrected from last year, October, after hitting a supply roof. It hit a supply roof that previously formed a double top and dropped, and it came back again, did a double top and dropped. Now the question is that we want price to come to the area of liquidity. So that area of liquidity for me is where we have institutional breakouts. After a breakout from a supply roof, price came here on demand one, on demand two. So the first demand after a breakout of the supply roof, and the second demand on breakout which came on the double confidence. The second came on the double confidence and silver has gone on to create a new all-time high. So when you see double confidence, it creates a high level of probability for uptick. After we have a break of structure from this level, where a broken supply became a demand floor, price return on demand floor one, demand floor two, break of a demand floor become a supply roof one, supply roof two, break of a supply roof become demand floor one, demand floor two, demand floor three, demand floor four, demand floor five. Price might come back again. This might be your intraday um, opportunity to see if you can go in for 50, 60 pip on buy. So at this level, if market comes here, it could still be valid. It could still be a valid structure at that level. It could still be very much valid for you to go go long from that position. The reason for that trade will be you align your sentiments with the trend. The trend is bullish. So if you buy at this level, nobody's going to screw you. If you come in here for a buy and the market breaks here, it's on you. But I told you the most accurate, let me put it the red sign. because there's a very high probability that price will come to this level and might fail to hold. So I'm going to put it a red sign. So for you to know it's a risky zone, and the most appropriate level to hold for this market is at this level and when we back it up with a descending trend line and a breaker structure, which we see here, you obviously see that price is creating a strong balance in price, and we have a strong price action at this level. So we are hoping that buyers will continue to hold on to the buy sentiment, where we see silver um, hovering into 36, 37. Hopefully, as the year runs by, we'll continue to see its industrial application and see there's an opportunity for the white metal to upsurge. But right now, we have a structure at this level, but the structure is doing one thing, invalidating our strategy, that is cutting the body of a candle. But what we'll do this time is when we are confronted by such thing, we can make it a zone. So let's make a zone out of that. Normally, we do not like to cut the body of a candle due to the technical experience associated to that. Now you see at the end of the day, it's not giving you a sniper entry. So we want a chart that represents sniper entry, and we don't want to take charts that is completely insincere, and that will really not be good for our strategy. So let's stay true to our word. Let's stay true to our word. You see the structure at that level, and that's a breaker structure, and let's end it here because that is what gave birth to that buy price action. That buy at that level initiated by this structure. After price, look after the structure, create a pattern, and that pattern, the market has found actually where other buyers also see it and they took advantage of that position to accumulate in the white metal. So I think this area, I maintain this price action while sticking to my word that I will never hold the body of a candle due to the technical lessons I've had in the past while trying to hold the body of a candle. You can see a bit of structure at this level, possibly reflects a bit of supply roof, taking on demand flow, and break of the demand flow on supply roof, forming a double structure in price reflects. For that double structure, price can put there's a neckline one, neckline two, and most likely price is heading up. So I'm bullish. I'm very much bullish on sale. Very much bullish on sale. So one more thing I need to watch for our buy litmus test will be at this level where we have another strong breaker structure. We have price breaking the demand floor followed by a retest and sold off and price returns again. So it sells off again and that's on that. I think it makes sense to see. Let's see if we treat that as a break and retest instead of a break without a retest. So let's treat this as a break and retest. I like that structure. That structure is very symbolic. Now look at where the structure started from. Price creates here the resistance structure and the supply route. Break of the supply route price returns here to respect as a demand floor. After one candle daily by price broke the structure. Break the demand floor became a supply route and so and when price returned, we respected the structure. It returned again and respected the structure again. So I think at this level we are going to let's do this like this. It makes a whole lot of sense. And if you check the structure on line chart, it does make a lot of sense. So this is what I see technically. You want to see a breakout of this structure, a clean breakout of that structure, followed by a retest, which ultimately creates a new way into the structure. And a return into the zone will be an opportunity to look for a sell opportunity where price will likely come down to this area. This is a buying foundation, which is also risky and attempt to go up again. This is another case too. And the last case I have on the yellow network is to see a retracement into my confirmed demand floor where I have my green bar. On this level, I see a potential swing which I have a probability to extend up to this level before we can decide what to do, whether to continue to go long or to concentrate. So this is what we see for Shavyfxhub silver, and then we are going to look at other structures. We look at copper, we look at aluminium, we look at other precious metals. Share our perspective on how best we can interpret the chart and how it relates to physical world price in the world market. The price you see here is the price of silver in the world market. So it's not a play, it's not a game thing. The price you see here represents the price of silver in the world market. So if you want to buy silver in the world market, the chart you're seeing here is what represents the price of silver, and it guides your buyers to know when to buy silver and when to sell.